Nestled along the southeastern coast, Lindos is a place where whitewashed homes tumble down a hillside toward the sparkling Aegean Sea. From above, the view is breathtaking. A labyrinth of narrow, cobbled alleys, sunlit terraces, and blue-domed chapels, all cradled by the dramatic cliffs of the Rhodian landscape. Dominating the skyline is the Acropolis of Lindos, a fortress of history rising high above the town. As our camera soars closer, you'll see the ancient ruins bathed in golden sunlight, the mighty Doric columns of the Temple of Athena Lindia, and the fortified walls built by the Knights of St. John. This archaeological wonder tells the story of over 2,000 years of human history, from classical Greece to the medieval era. Beneath the Acropolis, the village pulses with life and charm. The architecture is distinctly Cycladic, with sugar cube houses, wooden balconies, and doors painted in blues and greens. Lindos Bay curves gently around the settlement, its turquoise waters inviting swimmers, sailors, and dreamers alike. On calm mornings, the sea mirrors the sky, creating a magical backdrop for every aerial shot. Lindos is more than a postcard-perfect village. It is a living museum, a seaside haven, and a canvas of history and culture. From the majestic Acropolis to the cozy rooftop tavernas, every inch of this place tells a story, one of resilience, beauty, and timeless Greek spirit. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this journey from above, a bird's-eye tribute to one of the most captivating destinations in the Mediterranean.